Good morning, guys. Welcome to day number 6 here in Varadero, Cuba. I'm just gonna head into the gym. Yesterday was a bit of a write-off. Katie was not feeling so good for pretty much the entire day, so we hung out at the pool, went and had some lunch. She spent the rest of the day in the room. I was there with her for a little bit of it, and then what happened was I just went to the beach for a couple hours in the evening and then went and grabbed some dinner, and that's it. We hung out and watched movies and stuff, so hopefully she's feeling better today. We'll see. She's still in bed, but we'll see. Anyways, here at the gym this morning on day number 6, and I gotta say, this is one of the nicest gyms I have ever seen in a hotel. It's amazing. There's an aerobics area there, which is huge, and then this side there's the gym, and I'll show you guys some of the gym stuff here, depending if there's people in there or not, but tons of equipment. It's like walking into a mini Good Life or Gold's Gym or something like that. Not a ton of free weights, but they've got bars and plates and stuff, and quite a few dumbbells, but just tons of equipment, which is great. So makes life a little bit easier. I'm gonna get my workout in today, working on legs and biceps, and that's where we're at. It's about 8:30 right now, just after 8:30. Gonna be here for about an hour, head back to the room, see how Katie's doing, and hopefully grab some breakfast. This is one section of the gym where we've got our free weights, some of the equipment, nice view out onto the outside. It's quite wavy out there today, and windy as well too. This is the most wind we've had, but it's pretty wavy because of it. All right, leg workout is done. Mitz, you'd be proud of me. I voluntarily did legs today. Anyways, gonna head back to the room, see how Katie's doing, and maybe we'll go for breakfast, or at least I'm going for breakfast. Hopefully she comes. There you go. She's alive! She's alive and smiling, sort of. Fake smiling for the camera. Feeling better today?
Yes.
That's good. This is we're staying on the far end of the hotel, now walking towards the center part.
Ooh, it is windy.
Yeah, see, windy and wavy. Anyways, we gotta go eat breakfast or we're gonna be missing it. I'm stressed out.
He's stressed.
Because it's like 9:45 and breakfast goes till 10.
No, it probably closes at 10, it doesn't just go till 10.
Well, doesn't matter. Gotta be there with enough time to eat.
Well, there's still people eating there all the time.
All right, guys, there may be some wind noise here. We're just finished breakfast, going to check out the crazy waves. I can see them and hear them. It's pretty nuts looking.
It's even wavy past the waves.
Well, probably because there's more sandbars, right?
Yeah.
So we're just gonna go check out if we're gonna go hang out at the beach today.
One of those days it's cloudy, so you get sun without knowing you're getting sun because it doesn't feel hot.
So easy to get a burn today, right?
Yeah.
This is where I came down yesterday. There's like steep stairs right here. And a whole bunch of these little cabana things. It's like a wall of shade. Oh, there's like nobody down here today. Holy. Yeah, it's pretty wavy today.
Not an ideal beach day, but you know.
And I don't think there's this. Oh, there's a couple people down there taking some pictures, but really nobody's here. Oh, another person down there. Good day to get a selfie. Crazy waves. Oh yeah, look at that dude out there. There's a couple brave people out here. Sunscreen all over my thing.
Did not.
Yeah, you did.
Wasn't even near it.
It's totally your fault.
Was not.
You got sunscreen all over it. Travels. See? Look.
I didn't see anything.
Oh yeah, you can't see anything? All the dots all over the place?
It wasn't anywhere near me. I was way over.
Love you, honey.
You were the one putting sunscreen on closer to the other side.
Love you, honey.
Okay.
She got sunscreen all over the lens.
I did not, it was him.
Somebody got sunscreen all over the lens.
I wasn't even close to it.
Somebody got sunscreen all over the lens.
It was him.
Could have been me, but it's probably her.
It wasn't me.
Yeah.
I wasn't even close to it.
Anyways, day number 6. It's almost 11 o'clock. We're out at the pool. It's much nicer up here. Most of the wind's being blocked by the trees and stuff over there, so I'm gonna hang out at the pool for a while. Not sure how long, but probably most of the day. How you feeling?
Better.
Better? Tummy's better?
Taking it easy. But way better than yesterday.
Taking it way more easy than normal, eh? Yeah. Well, it's 1:30 in the afternoon, and it's lunchtime. We've been at the pool now since whatever time that was. Can't remember. Did some water aerobics in the pool. And that was it. That's the extent of our day so far. So it's been a great day. Lots of sun. But like Katie was saying earlier, it definitely is deceiving with the wind. It keeps you a little bit cool, but we've been in the sun more probably today than we have in the past 6 days, 5 days. So anyways, lunchtime now. All right, we got a vegetarian lunch. Almost vegetarian lunch, half.
No wheat.
No wheat.
I think that's a big part of my problem.
Uh-huh.
I've loaded up on pasta and pancakes and all the stuff that I don't eat on a regular basis, or a lot of anyways. I have a little bit of time.
Yeah.
Not like every meal, so I think my body, between the sun and the wheat and everything, just kind of had too much.
Yeah. So that's it. That's lunch.
And got our drinks again.
Forwards, backwards. Forwards, backwards. Near, far. Near, far. Brr. I'm actually freezing. Well, I'm not freezing, but I'm cold. The sun goes down and I'm like, got goosebumps.
Normally that's me.
Yeah, we're just sitting at the pool, finished at the pool. Sun went behind the hotel building, so time to go back to the room. Walking on the path, walking on the path. Walking on the path.
Are you sick of walking on the path?
Walking on the path. Ocean to the right. Big waves. But we did go back out to the water after lunch, and the waves were way bigger. They were coming right up to where the chairs basically are, or the little wooden umbrella things, whatever you call them, huts things.
The palapas.
Palapas. Oh, there you go. See it through the trees? Right there? Big waves. And they actually wouldn't even let you go into the water. The lifeguard was out there. So like when we're in Mexico, typically what happens is the red flag's always out in in Cabo. So like even if it's a nice day, the red flag's still out. But here they put the red flag out and they actually won't let you in the water.
There's a lifeguard there, and it blows his whistle if you go too far.
Yeah, it makes you come back, and so, which is fine, safe. It's pretty nasty out there, so I'm sure there's lots of undertow. Anyways, oh, there we are again. Oh no, that's not us this time. Our neighbors are bad.
Oh.
They left their light on. I turned ours off last night when I did the time-lapse video. But there's our room. Right. Right. Where are we? I can't see. Right there. Right there. Right there. If you've ever stayed at the La Branda in room 1220, comment below. We can be room buddies. If that's not our resort right there, we're just on the edge, but you can see the fence there. But if that was our resort, I'd totally walk out there because there's like a little rock peninsula. It'd be pretty crazy. You can hear the waves, or you can see them smashing against there. It's pretty nuts. All right, guys, exclusive video just for you, whoever's watching this, because you guys are so amazing. We're actually gonna walk out to the point. Katie informed me that if we go onto the beach, we can just walk onto the point. So we're gonna do that. Hopefully we don't die. If you're watching this, that means the video was made and we didn't die. So we're gonna be okay. Let's go. Guess what? We're walking on a path.
Another path.
Another path. Then we're gonna turn left right here to Grandma's house. Look at that, see? The audio is gonna start sucking once we get out here, so apologize in advance. We're going up there, right there, on the cliff. Gonna get all salty. I think we're allowed up there. We're probably not allowed up there, but we're doing it just for you guys. Taking the risks. Honey, you're not supposed to say we're allowed up there because that makes the video less awesome. Yeah, they are. Like super sharp. You definitely wouldn't want to fall on those things. They're like massive sandpaper rocks. So don't fall. Here on the rocks. Very salty up here. Woo! Holy! I feel like we should have the waterproof thing on the GoPro. Dang! This whole rock at one point fell, hey? All right, that's close enough. Hola. Yes.
Okay, sir. This is territory of Ocean Vista Sur.
Oh, okay. Okay, sorry. Camera.
Yeah, but the other part.
Oh, this is like a tripod. You can pull the bottom out, the tripod comes out, it's an extension. Yeah. It's fancy. Okay. Woo, that's quite a wave. Holy crap.
The weather here is crazy. Sometimes it's good, sometimes not. I don't know.
Awesome. Here?
Okay.
Thanks so much.
More safe.
That was wild. Well, we got in trouble. Not really got in trouble, but We got kicked off the beach.
And we're wet.
And we're soaked. That last wave, probably didn't get it on camera. Well, I got some of it on camera, but not Katie freaking out. Anyways, that was pretty awesome. And then we got escorted the safer way back. So we're back. That was fun. Whoa, everything's backwards. This fancy thing.
Brr.
Should have showed the security guard this earlier. Eh?
Yeah.
Fancy. Mind blown. All right, guys, we just finished the aquatic show. We already did this recording. Take two as we're walking away. The lighting was terrible. So we just finished the aquatic show. It was good. Stop. Anyways, it was a good show. Yeah, it was good. What'd you think?
I liked it.
I liked it. The lighting could have been better. It would have been better if they had a couple spotlights and things like that, but it is what it is.
Was
so
in the pool. So.
yeah, it was in the pool, so it's fine.
Yeah.
Anyways, tomorrow is Jeep Tour Day, so day 6 today is effectively over. Tomorrow, Jeep Tour Day, should be tons of fun. Hopefully the wind kind of calms down a little bit. I don't mind if it's overcast, but if the wind could calm down a little bit, that would be nice. We're supposed to go swimming as part of the Jeep Tour thing, and if it's out in the ocean like it is supposed to be,
it's craziness out
yeah,
there.
like if it's like this tomorrow, it's going to be crazy. So if it's in an inlet, that might be nice, but we'll see. See what happens. The weather right now is 21 degrees in Varadero. What's tomorrow supposed to be?
Do you want? 24. High of 24. No, that's today.
No, today's Sunday. Tomorrow's Monday.
Tomorrow's Monday.
So
High
Monday,
of 24.
so it looks better. Supposed to be
Yeah.
kind of sunny, overcast.
Same as today-ish.
Except
It
you're
was
not.
like a clear sky though today.
Yeah, you're not looking at the wind.
Oh,
That's the stupid Apple app.
how do you look at the wind?
Shows you on the other app.
Oh.
Anyways,
people were wearing their puffer jackets.
yeah, but they're locals, or they're like from warm countries.
Maybe.
We're not. We wore a sweater and a hoodie, so we were cold too, a little bit cold.
Cold at 21.
Yeah. So the Jeep Tour, just so you guys know, is I think it's pretty much an all-day thing. We leave here at 8:45, and I don't know when we get back, but it was $81 CUC, so that's like $85, $87 American. Should be tons of fun. Sounds like it's going to be fun. According to the piece of paper, we're in a Jeep. We drive a boat, things like that. So we'll see. We'll try and videotape as much of it as possible, obviously with the waterproof cover thing on. So that's the end of day 6. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Gonna check the weather on the weather network. If it works.
I can edit this part out.
Circus. Circus.
So according to the Weather Network app, it looks like tomorrow is going to be the same as today. Wind from the northeast about 20 kilometers an hour. It's okay. It's still going to be a great day. See you tomorrow.